Okay, going to take a little different walk on Mcleod Road here today. Lately, within the last 3 months, the Google car has drove down Mcleod Road and it's got some decent high resolution images of the area. And a couple of things people might notice if they check the area. We'll just get down here to street level. And have a proper look. Okay. We're on the bridge. And we'll get a look down at the water. Okay. There's a fairly good view of the water. Doesn't look to be a whole lot in it. It's only a few inches. And this picture, this image was about 3 months ago. And if we go back to the hydrometric data for this river, the Middle River, there is only one close station to here, and it's about 10 miles downstream. But at the time, the river levels were extremely low. It was like 31 centimeters at their measuring gauge in Rockland. That's about a foot in imperial measures. And the actual cubic volume per second was extremely low. It was like 0.02 of a cubic meter, which is very low. But that river, back on the 1st and 2nd of May, the levels weren't very high compared to April beforehand. There was almost flood conditions in that river. But on the 1st, 2nd of May, you still had a relatively lower level. But still, it was much higher than this picture depicts now. It was like, what was it? It was nearly 2 foot. It was 22 inches measured at Rockland. And the cubic volume per second was 1.7 cubic meters, 1.7 cubic meters of water per second. So the flow back on the 2nd and 1st of May was quite a lot. This river was totally different than here. The likes of that big rock there at the edge would have likely been covered, and the middle channel of this river would have been flowing like white water looking. Okay, just get that out of the way. I'm not saying the children went in there, but it's a possibility, and if they did, they would have been carried downstream. A couple of other things. Okay. Over here. See, we'll move up further a bit and get a look back at it. Okay. Okay, right in there, there's a marker. And as far as I can work out, the yellow star, the holographic little star was found below that, in that vicinity, in that area. And I'll just say, like, for the RCMP searching, it's very hard to determine what's evidence and what's not, because the area does have rubbish strewn in it. Like, you don't have to look too far to see rubbish in the sides of the road. Like, the stuff is there. What's evidence and what's not? It's like anywhere. It's very hard to tell. Anyway, we'll leave it there for now. Take care. Good luck.